guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I posted my first video, but I am back and better and ready, period. But today I will be doing not really a mukbang, but I'm gonna be trying snacks like Mexican candies and Mexican cookies and snacks and stuff. I really don't know what all I bought, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm kind of nervous, but I have Takis. I just got these because these are like my favorite chips, and they not the regular Takis. They're like the sticks. These are my absolute favorite. And then I got this little coconut something. I really don't like coconut all that much, but I think I had this before and it was really good. These I don't know what it is. It looks hot, but I don't know. We're gonna try it. Now these, I'm excited for these. These look amazing. I love strawberry. It's crazy because I like strawberry flavored stuff, but I do not like strawberries all too much, you know? I got a soda, pineapple. I had this before. It was really good, so I decided to get it. I got this. I don't know what it is, but I think it's like some type of chocolate. Yeah, we're gonna go with chocolate. And then I have this. I don't know what it is, but it says lemon, but it's red. And last but not least, whatever this is, whatever it is. It says peanut up here. A little scared, a little nervous. But we're gonna go with that. Alright. So we're gonna start with the first thing. Sorry, I want a couple chips. But okay. So I think I'm gonna start with the coconut. It just said coconut candy. And I got this. I got this. I got this. And I got this from my local Mexican store. And then I got the rest of this from Dollar General. So let's start with this. Let's see. I'm gonna try each flavor. I'm not flavor. I'm gonna try each color because they might be different flavors. It smells like a Almond Joy. Okay. It's actually decent. It's decent. Okay. They're not all different flavors, but this white one, the white, is extra hard. But I like it. This is probably something I would snack on like 4 o'clock in the morning. Pretty much. Yeah. Okay, on which one? Okay. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm nervous. Wait a second. Okay. this says Benny Rindo. Benny Rindo. I don't know. Okay, it's a hard candy filled with tamarind flavor. Okay. Let's see. It is hard. I like watching other videos. Tamarind is like it's like a sourish, spicy type candy. Oh, it's shaped into a Coke bottle, sorta. I don't know. It's like, it's not nasty. But I wouldn't just eat this. I'm trying to get, I want to taste the inside. Okay. Okay. Alright. It's like, look what the inside is like. It's actually not bad. It's spicy. It's like, it's not bad. But it's not something I would just sit and eat at all. Okay. I'm gonna try the chocolate next. It's called Carlos V. I'm not a big chocolate person. Like, at all. Like, at all. It would definitely have to be like, I would have to be in the mood for chocolate. So I might not like this initially, just because it is chocolate. But I'm gonna give it a true review because it might be good. You know what this tastes like? Y'all know how on Easter you get them chocolate eggs or them chocolate bunnies? That's what this tastes like. It's good though. But I can just, I definitely will probably be craving this like at the end of the night. At like 3 o'clock in the morning, I'll be wanting chocolate for some odd reason. Probably eat this. Oh, I'm so excited for this part. No, I'm thirsty. We're gonna try the pineapple. So, what? I had something to, there. I know I had something over this. Hold on. Kind of wasted a little bit. Whew. Whew. Doritos. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Doritos. I don't know. It's good, but like, it's like you only get fizz when you initially drink it, but after that first, it's like juice. I'm disappointed. I want some more Takis. I'm telling y'all, these are better than the original Takis. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna save the little strawberry thing for last because I really feel like that's gonna be like bussin'. That's the one I'm looking forward to. So we're trying the peanut candy marzipan style. Yeah. In 6 pieces. I'm also nervous about this. I don't know what to expect. I'm hoping though. I'm hoping it tastes like, you know, like the inside of a Reese cup. That's what I'm hoping it tastes like. But let's see. This will look like Della Rosa marzipan original. Let's try it. It's like, I like to smell stuff. Don't judge me. Alright. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's like a really sweet peanut butter with like it's not creamy, but like, I don't know. It's like a wet powder. If that, I don't know, but it wasn't that great. I don't have to have it again. Alright. Now we're gonna try Loca Spoon Vessel. I don't know what this is. Oh, hold on now. Lemon flavored hot candy with chewing gum. That don't sound good. But I don't know if I want to eat this, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. No cap. No shade. I don't think I'm gonna like this. Wait a second. Let's just give a shout out to my nails. You know, your girl did her thing. Gonna be the big 20 at, whoa. Anyways, I just had to do that. What the heck? I don't like it. Oh, look at my lip gloss, y'all. I don't like this. I don't think I like this. I don't think I'm gonna like it. It got bubble gum on the inside. It don't look right. Let's see. How are you even supposed to? The time has come. This don't look right. I think. Mm-mm. 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 Mm. That is disgusting. make that? It's like salty. How is this a candy? I can't. I need more tacos. I'm disappointed. I probably want some more coconut. Okay. So last but not least, and I think this is gonna be my favorite. Burritos Fresa. Strawberry filled cookies. So I'm thinking this is gonna taste like a Pop-Tart. That's my guess. Oh, the sun's coming out a little bit. Let's see. It smells good. Okay, pour some of this in. Yeah, this smells like really good, guys. Ah. I just bit my lip. This is really good, but it's like it's not enough jam for the bread. Like they need to put more filling for the bread. But other than that, it was down. Definitely would be holding on to these. Okay. So I was supposed to rate these. Between 1 and 10. So I give this I give it a 9.5. It don't get the other half because it need more filling. But other than that, it's good. Just because I'm not really a coconut person per se, I'm gonna give this like a 7. But it's still good though. It's disqualified. I give this a 7 too. Just because like it's good, but it don't have enough fizz for me. Yeah. It's like you know, like a Fanta get flat fast. That's what that is. These little guys, I give these like a 6 because I wouldn't necessarily eat that like It's good, but I wouldn't eat that all the time. Cause it's weird. It's like a good weird flavor. Yeah. This one, just cause I don't like chocolate like that. But I give it like a 7. Cause it's still good. I give it like an 8. I give it 8. It's good. I give that interesting situation like a 5. Cause it wasn't bad, but it wasn't great. It wasn't even good, but it wasn't bad either. I don't know. It's just interesting. I don't know. It does put you in the mindset of the inside of a Reese cup, but it's a little softer. So kind of like it's sort of kind of melt in your mouth, sort of kind of, yeah. But thanks for watching my video. I should have more content soon, hopefully. But I really just like, I don't know, I've been stuck. Okay. But y'all have more content soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because guess what? We lit, baby. All 2020. Stay safe. Practice social distancing. Stay home. And stay blessed.